Welcome to our today's GK lesson channel Kamal competitions. Our today's lesson is regarding the Indo-China cross-border trade. The cross-border trade between India and China has recently been resumed after a 6 years hiatus. It has been stopped after the Galwan crisis between both of the armies of China and India. The trade has been resumed after a hiatus of more than 6 years. The traders from the Kinnaur district of Himachal Pradesh have demanded a major revision of the existing trading framework as the present day economic conditions are no longer suiting the trading realities. They have demanded to revise the trading conditions. Presently, the traders have a daily trading limit of rupees 2 lakh per trader. The Kinnaur Indo-China Trade Association has demanded to increase the daily trading limit of from rupees 2 lakh to 5 lakhs, citing inflation and rising transportation costs. Further, the association has also submitted a memorandum to the Himachal Pradesh Revenue Minister urging him to take up the matter with the Ministries of External Affairs, Commerce and Industry, Home Affairs, and Director General of Foreign Trade to do the needful in this matter. The demand comes on the heels of a revival of the border trade. 16 traders from the villages of Kinnaur district of Himachal Pradesh have crossed into Tibet carrying goods for trading purposes. The president of the Kinnaur Indo-China Trade Association has also demanded the revision of the present day limit of the rupees 2 lakh to 5 lakhs. They have also demanded a comprehensive revision of the import and export list of to reflect the current market demands. Further, the traders have demanded to establish a livestock, quarantine and animal health center at Shipkila to facilitate the livestock trade, which is in a great demand on both sides of our border. Livestock trade. It is in great demand on both sides of the border. The traders have also demanded to establish a livestock, quarantine and animal health center at Shipkila. Shipkila is the crossing point from Himachal's Kinnaur to the Tibet in China, which is in a great demand on both sides of the border. As per the association, the continued restriction on the livestock trade has been on the one of the biggest impediments to the growth of the commerce in both sides. The chihu, mostly found in China, is in great demand in India. Chihu goat. A chihu goat is mostly found in China. And it is in a great demand in India. The traders have also demanded a motorable road across the designated trading points across the border to facilitate the movement of vehicles. Presently, goods are carried by mules on the mule tracks, which have a maximum capacity of 90 kgs पर एनिमल। अगर उसी को अगर व्हीकल्स में रखा जाए तो क्वांटिटी ज़्यादा बढ़ जाएगी, टाइम भी कम लगेगा। दैट्स व्हाई द ट्रेडर्स हैव डिमांडेड ए मोटरेबल रोड अप टू द क्रॉस बॉर्डर। In this way, not only the transporting costs increases, it reduces the quantity of the trade. इन इसमें क्या है कि अगर म्यूल्स के द्वारा, खच्चरों के द्वारा अगर गुड्स को ले जाया जाता है तो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कॉस्ट ज़्यादा बढ़ती है, क्योंकि पशु धीरे चलते हैं एंड टेक ए लॉट ऑफ टाइम टू रीच द क्रॉस बॉर्डर ट्रेड सेंटर। और उससे क्या है कि जो हमारा ट्रेड है उसमें वॉल्यूम घट जाती है। ऑफिशियली द बॉर्डर ट्रेड थ्रू शिपकिला इज परमिटेड from 1st June to November 3 every year. The commercial activities peak in October and November. Officially, इसका जो ट्रेड है allowed from June 1st to November 30, and peak of this trade occurs during the months of October and November. The value of the trade has risen sharply from 8.59 crore to in 2016 to 59.21 crore in 2017. At present, 36 items are allowed to export and 20 to import. 36 items are allowed to export. Twenty items are allowed to import. Our traders from India can export up to 36 items and they can import up to 20 items from China. The last major revision of the trade list was carried out in 2012. आखिरी बार जो है इस गुड्स के एक्सपोर्ट इंपोर्ट की जो लिस्ट थी उसका रिवीजन 2012 में हुआ था। When around 12 new items were added to the cross border commerce, उस समय 12 नए आइटम का जो है इसमें शामिल किया गया था क्रॉस बॉर्डर कॉमर्स के लिए। उसके बाद से कोई रिवीजन नहीं हुआ है। And with this, we conclude our today's lesson. For our next lesson, let us meet tomorrow. Have a nice day.